Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a summery yellowish pinkish look today. I was inspired by Nikki Glamour, who uploaded a video and she was wearing that look, so I really wanted to try to do it and see what my take on it is. So yeah, just keep on watching it. I know I probably look weird. I went ahead and did all my face makeup since it's basically just an eye makeup tutorial. So yeah, that's why I look strange. So I'm going to start off by using a white shade. I already primed my lids. I just put some of my foundation and concealer from that on there. So since that's done, I'm going to start off with the Laura Cat's Pajamas palette. And I'm just going to go into this white shade right here. I'm going to put that all over the lid. I'm doing this so that way the yellow kind of stands out. That way it's more pigmented than usual. Alright, so next, since it is just a yellow look, I want to focus on just the yellow. So I don't want to put like a crap ton of colors all over the thing. That way the yellow doesn't show up. So I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette with this yellow right here called Creamsicle. And I'm going to scoot you guys in closer. That way you can see better. Now that we're up close and personal, I'm going to just take a packing brush and just pack the yellow on my lid. And it's not a shimmer, so I probably wouldn't suggest spraying it. But I have a mirror right here, so that's why I'm looking. So I'm just going to build that color up for a minute and yeah. Alright, so now that my yellow is built up, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Alright, now that the yellow's on, I'm going to go in with a pink, and I'm going to be using the Tracey Complete Contour and Complexion palette, just because I don't really have a matte pink, so I'm going to use a blush, and I'm just going to put that right in the crease. And I'm going to go in with this darker shade right here, which is the dark blush shade. I'm just going to focus that right in the crease. Ouch. Alright, so you can kind of see it there. I am going to go back in with the yellow just to rebuild that back up since I did cover it up with some pink. And then I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Alright, now that that's done, so I am going to go ahead and do the lower lash line with this smudgy brush. And I'm going to put like yellow one in, pink one in, maybe not, I don't know, we'll see. I'm going to start with yellow though. I'm just going to smudge it on the inner corner. So I'm going to go with that same pink color and do the same thing on the other corner. Alright, So that's that. So I'm going to go into the inner corner, and I'm going to get a pink shimmer shade and just pack that in the inner corner. Alright, so now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and put mascara. So I'm going to use the Essence Lash Princess mascara. Alright, that is mascara. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. And I'm going to use a combo. I'm going to use I have these little mini Tarte lipstick things. This one is the shade Exposed. And then I have a Anastasia Beverly Hills Vintage Lip Gloss. Oh, it's a lip gloss in the shade Vintage. I'm dumb. And I'm just going to swatch that. So yeah, I'm going to use this little combo right here. Just to kind of tie in the whole thing. So first I'm going to go in with the Exposed. So there's Exposed, and then I'm going to put the Vintage on top. That's a very high shine gloss right there. So yeah. Now I'm just going to spray my face with some MAC Fix Plus. So yeah guys, that's my final look. I really hope you enjoy it. I will link Nikki's video down below, and you guys can see the inspiration. It's not quite like her. She had more vibrant yellows. Mine was more of a mustard yellow, but she had like the bright neon yellow, so I just had to use what I had. So yeah, that's my look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys enjoy this look, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn my notifications on, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.